World Post Day, 9 October. What is World Post Day? World Post Day is celebrated each year on 9 October, the anniversary of the establishment of the Universal Postal Union in 1879 in the Swiss capital Bern. It was declared World Post Day by the UPU Congress held in Tokyo, Japan in 1969. Since then, countries across the world participate annually in the celebrations. The post is many countries use the event to introduce or promote new postal products and services. In 2015, countries all over the world celebrated themselves to working together towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, which aim to end extreme poverty and hunger. Fight inequality and injustice and take action towards climate change, to name just some of these 17 agreed new goals. Playing its part in this global effort, the postal today has a more relevant role than ever by providing infrastructure for development. The purpose of World Postal Day is to create awareness of the role of the postal sector in people's and businesses' everyday lives and its contribution to the social and economic development of countries. The celebration encourages member countries to undertake program activities aimed at generating a broader awareness of their post's role and activities among the public and media on a national scale. Every year, more than 150 countries celebrate World Post Day in a variety of ways. In certain countries, World Post Day is observed as a working holiday. Many posts use the event to introduce or promote new postal products and services. Some posts also use World Post Day to reward their employees for good service. Thank you. Have a happy World Post Day.